Under what circumstances will the dive watch be locked? There are two conditions that will lock the dive watch and prevent you from entering the dive function. Firstly, when watch has been above the decompression ceiling for 3 minutes. The watch will still continue activity until you have finished the current diving activity. After you saved the activity, the watch will be locked for your safety. Only after 24 hours will you be allowed to enter the dive app again. Secondly, when you're using the dive watch for gauge dive mode, it will be locked for 24 hours after you finished activity. Because after the watch is in gauge dive mode, you can't know the gas you inhaled and the dive condition during gauge dive. For your safety, only gauge mode will be available to use for next 24 hours. Although the dive watch cannot take into account the differences of everyone, we can dive conservatively. For more information on reducing the risk of decompression sickness, being a safe diver, and slowly ascending from every dive, for more help, please go to support.garmin.com.